Residents from northeastern Kenya came out to protest the numbers unveiled as results from the recently concluded national census. The residents faulted the figures released by the Bureau of Statistics, claiming that their population is higher. According to the residents, there is no record of a disaster that could have led to the low population. Leaders in the area tried to explain the anomaly. Elders of the community said that most residents had traveled to other regions and countries, as many of them are pastoralists.
Census was conducted in August, after a very long dry spell, and the pastoralists were not in their area of habitation. Some of them shifted to Ethiopia, some of them shifted to Somalia, and of course, the correct figures will not come out.
There were many calls for the regional leaders and the national government to dialogue and come up with a solution to the anomalies.
Kama mzeaji yuko hapa na pia mzee gavana yuko hapa, hii serikali ni yenyu. Kama iko shida, fika ofisi, tukuoneshe ile kitu tuko naye, wewe useme ni nini shida, tukae, tuzungumze, tujue kuna shida wapi. Hakuna pahali mzeaji hawezi ingia kwa State House, hakuna pahali gavana hawezi ingia na hao waheshimiwa, waje watuambie makosa iko wapi.
We are the people who have elected Jubilee government. We have elected President Uhuru Kenyatta. We have a very big stake in the government. We are telling our leaders, despite the fact that you are not satisfied, or we are not satisfied with the figures of the census, we need to sit with the government and come up with way forward.
On his part, Governor Duale appreciated the increase in the population numbers, but affirmed that the figures released did not reflect the actual situation on the ground.
Sisi tunashukuru Mungu, tumekuwa wengi, tumejitolewa kuhesabiwa, tumehesabiwa, lakini vile vitu ambavyo vimetolewa wiki hii, wale ambao Nairobi imezungumzia sisi ni wengine.
The leaders said that the figures should not be used to deny the region funds, an act that will be challenged in court.
Hiyo tumekataa, hiyo results hatuwezi kubali, tumereject. Now what I'm saying is, the Kenyan National Bureau of Statistics has done a criminal act, and we will not relent to make sure our people get justice.
Sisi bado tutateta, tutaenda kotini, tutachallenge hii mambo yote, tutafanya demonstration, na demonstration itaongozwa na mzee Haji, lakini ile tuko naye ni yetu na hatutapeana, na mkijaribu tutaengage in civil disobedience. Hata kura hatutapiga kaunti yote.
Stay with the Kenyan News Channel for more news on this.